everybody! So last week I put up a post asking for any food-related questions that you want an evidence-based answer to. So today's question comes from Joy, and she asked what is the best and healthiest oil to use for cooking. It seems like the recommendation is always changing. This is a great question because there does seem to be a lot of contradictory information out there about this subject specifically, and that can make it very overwhelming and confusing very quickly. So thanks to a lot of research, we know for sure that swapping out saturated fats, which usually come from animal products, think butter for example, with unsaturated fat sources that usually come from plants is going to have positive health benefits. I'm going to throw up a graphic here that's going to show the fat composition of several different cooking oils. Ideally, you'd want to cook with an oil that is high in unsaturated fat and low in saturated fat. That being said, the oil that I generally recommend cooking with is olive. It's very high in unsaturated fat and low in saturated fat and can add great flavor to your dressings and marinades. Olive oil is going to be more affordable and easier to cook with than the other oils with similar compositions like the hazelnut and the almond, for example. Canola is another oil that stands out as a really affordable and versatile option. It's really high in unsaturated fat and low in saturated fat, and it has a really neutral flavor, making it a really good option. So there's my answer. If you have a question that you'd like to see featured on Ask FCS, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Bye guys.